Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to silence unknown callers on your iPhone using the latest version of iOS. So, let's get started. Silencing unknown callers helps you avoid distractions by automatically muting calls from numbers that aren't in your contacts. These calls will be sent to voicemail and appear in your recent calls list, but they won't ring. For this, open the settings in your iPhone, scroll down and find the phone option, or you can search it from the search bar. Tap on it, look for the option silence unknown callers. Here you can find it. By default, this setting is turned off. To enable it, just toggle the switch on like this. Once enabled, your iPhone will silence calls from numbers that aren't in your contacts, your recent outgoing calls, or Siri suggestions. This is quick and effective way to block spam calls and avoid interruptions. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.